180 Main, weather vane next door, had some windows blown out. Our building, the whole awning came off, roof peeled back. Tons of water damage inside. The second level is completely saturated. This tree came down here right in front. Bricks all off on the top. I don't know, the roof is pretty damaged. Door blew open. It broke actually. The hinge, the closing mechanism broke. There's the eave trough. Downspout is, or pardon me, that's the downspout. The eave trough is nowhere to be found. You can see up at the top, a lot of the bricks are missing up there. We peeled the roof off. I keep walking back. Start to see all the wood sticking up. Well, I've had better days than that. Oh my. Don't even know which way to go. Oh man, gas is leaking over here. I can hear gas leaking. We're gonna stay out of that. Holy crap. I'm getting out of this. I can hear gas hissing over there. Knights of Columbus over here. Tony's bar, roof is off, windows blown out. I mean, this is right here. Oh, Plank Road Pub. Oh my. Look at this. Holy man. pool table is still up there yet. Coonins. It's Manderfield's is what was Manderfield's Bakery. Cars upside down. Water flooding, shoot. Look at another truck upside down. Alarms going off on the truck. That's the laundromat. This truck on the tracks, on the railroad tracks. The old adhesive company, Durafiber. Airbags off on the vehicles here. Holy crap. Oh, and on there, Durafiber must have had a bunch of tanks tip over. Wow. Hopefully that one's okay here. I mean, this is like, that house is off its foundation. This house, there used to be, I think there's 2 houses here. There was a vacant lot, but there was 2 houses, I believe, for sure there.
At her mom's.
Wow. It's Palisades. How do I get back to our building here? Well, the trees are gone. The Wow Logistics building is very damaged. I'll get something on that later. Wow. This whole Palisades area is messed up. Trying to get over to Valley Road. I may have to walk it in. I don't know. We might have to put some stuff on that. I couldn't even see these houses before. It's all by the river. Hopefully we have a roof on this place. Alright, we're getting closer to Valley Road here. This doesn't look good. I came through here the other day. All this is a really nice wooded area. They're pouring concrete in a guy's driveway here. I mean, this is like a very nice, heavily wooded area. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Hope that we got a roof here, because I don't know what else we're gonna do here. We got power lines down here. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Guy's missing half his roof there. Wow Logistics building on Valley Road. Giant warehouse. I don't even know. A few 100,000 square foot. It's unreal. Lamers bus line. The second story of the building is totally collapsed onto the first story. Look at this. Oh my. There's a car upside down. Oh man, our building is right next door here, and there's a car upside down. Oh, I got trouble. I can see it already. Shoot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, coming up to Valley Road here. Our building is next door to this one here. Brand new power lines, everything. Here's the Wow Logistics building. Look at this thing. So all new power lines, they just put these up like literally, I don't even know if it was a month ago. We're not faring too bad here. I mean, it's not good. We got the roof off here and back. Oh boy. Ah, crap. Blew the doors off. A couple windows broken in the back. Just a lot of this kind of destruction here. Alright, so you get the truck tipped over here, and they're already starting to rebuild. Look at that, he's got the generator running with the Miller Lite sign. Here's the Lamers building and the Wow Logistics building. See right into it.